Did you know that Facebook has 2.6 billion users? Like 2.6 people downloaded Facebook app. They have this app in their phones, which make it the most powerful platform you can use to grow your business, or you can use as a content creator if you want to grow your page. If you're a content creator, you want to grow your page. So in this video, I want to teach you how to grow your Facebook page from 0 to thousands or millions of followers. All I need you to do is stick around, because I will be sharing the effective strategy or tips that can actually help you to grow your Facebook page fast. Very quickly, you're going to grow it very fast. There are four of them. One is optimizing your contents, optimizing your contents. Two is analytics. Three is engaging with your audience. Then four is utilizing Facebook advertisements. And I want to share bonus at the end of this video, because this bonus is my personal experience. It's kind of what I experienced growing my Facebook page. So if this kind of video that you want, why not listen to those tips and strategy that tries to grow your Facebook page? Stay tuned. So let's dive into the video. Tips number one is optimizing your content. Any day you want to create your content, you need to go and check other creators doing your similar niche, doing the kind of content that you create. You can actually recreate other contents, but you need to add flavor. You need to add your unique way. I'll keep on selling your buzz. So anytime you want to create your content, make some research. Do some finding to know which one is working, because people who are watching you, they are also watching other creators. So if you want to create your content, create content that is informative, that is entertaining, that is inspired. People are actually learning something from that your content. Create content that resonates your audience. Know what your audience like. Know what your audience react. Know what your audience share, because there are content that you drop, your audience will ask, what is audience? Audience are your followers. So if some of your followers, you drop a comment, you drop a video, or drop any content, and this content is educating, is entertaining, we see some of them sharing it, you need to create more of that content. You need to create more of that content, but you need to tweak it. You need to add another flavor to it. So optimizing your content is very important. When people are actually watching your content and they are sharing it, they are commenting, they are liking, that is how viral video happen, because people are reacting, people are engaging. And when Facebook sense that, when algorithm sense that, they will see that your content is valuable. Let's push it to other people. Let's push it to other people to watch. So optimizing your video, optimizing your content is one of the strategy you need to apply if you want to grow your Facebook page. So tips number two, or strategy number two, is engaging with your audience. Should I follow it off? Engaging with your audience is one of the major role to grow your account, because when you reply your followers, let me use the word followers so that you guys will understand. It means you are creating what? Connection. You are creating community. You are making them think that, hey, I can see you. I saw your comments. I can see your comments every day. When you reply your followers, they are going to come back more to watch your video. And when they are coming back more to watch your video, that is when you see they'll start clicking that follow button. That is how it starts growing. And when you click that follow button, you share any contents, any videos, and they like it, they can actually share it with their friends. If their friends see that video, they like what you do, they will also follow you. That is how you grow your accounts. So engaging with your audience is very important. If you have not been doing it, I need you to start doing it. Do you understand? Engaging with your audience is very important. Do not drop your comments, drop your video and you gas. You drop and you disappear. Anybody that dropping comments is none of your business. Hey, stop doing that. It's not good. If you want to grow your account, you need to have a conversation in the comment section. That is how you grow. So Since number 3 is studying the analytics. Go and check what I'll be doing it, placing it on the screen. Go and check when your viewers are always active. Check when what's wrong with my phone? Check when your followers are always active. Let me tell you something. If you check when they are active, if you drop a video, your video is going to, they are going to watch your video. If you, I said it in my previous video. Anybody that's following you, when they open Facebook app, if you drop your video, that is that time they are online, your video is going to pop up. They are going to see your video. And when they see your video, they are going to watch. They are going to watch your video. They are going to comment and they are going to like. So study your analytics. Analytics is very important. And also check which video is doing well, which video is perfectly working for you. If you check the video that is other people react, people comment, people share, they are going to create more video related to that topic. Do you understand? What's wrong with my phone now? Why is it going down? So the last one is utilizing Facebook ads. A lot of people would say do not boost your followers. Sorry, do not boost your page, do not boost your video. Hey, you need to boost your videos so that other people can actually see your page and follow you. When they follow you, they will start seeing your content. So you need to use small money and boost. What this is also going down and boost your video. That is bringing me to this bonus that I said. It is okay for you to boost your video. Boosting is different from creating ad. Creating ad is just advertisements, and these advertisements is meant for people who are doing business. But boost is for people who are creators. You want people to see your video. So if you boost your video is going to reach a wider audience. And when it's reaching a wider audience, if people like what you are doing, they will be able to follow you from your video. That is very important. It's very important. If you're taking longer than I expected, and the bonus, if I'm already dropping it, you need to boost your video. Yes, if you have small money, boost this once in a while. All those BB celebrity that you know today, they boosted their video. I know some people, they'll say, do not boost your video. Boost it if you have money to boost. And if you don't know how to boost it, that is where I come in. This is the bonus I want to share. If you don't know how to boost it, you can, as only words, drop it in the comment section. You don't know how to boost. When you post your video, stay and reply your comments. Go to people who are doing your similar niche. Go there and drop a meaningful comments. Like their video. Even if they are not coming back, they're not coming to drop any comments in your post. Go there and drop comments. You are making your page visible. And people can actually follow you for just dropping a meaningful comments. You know, this BB content creator. And another bonus I want to share is if you know anyone who is 100K and above followers, go and tell this person to just beg this person to come and drop a comment in your post. When that person drop a comment to your post, it's going to make your own friend and their friends. When all these 100K followers and creators, 100K, 200K, if they drop a comment to your post, automatically this person's follower, they're going to see your post, and it's going to drive traffic to your own page. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? If you not understand, let me know in the comment section. I'm going to explain. So that is end of today's video. If you have any question, drop in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like it so that others can actually see it. Give this turn on notification to be the first person to watch my video, because I drop those kind of growth tips. I drop this kind of tips every week. So tell me in the comment section, which kind of strategy are you going to apply now in your next video? Okay, see you on another one. Bye.